Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to get on here today and do a different kind of grocery haul. I'm going to show you what I buy when I'm eating my cleanest, and I'm going to tell you what I'm doing with it. So I'm going to jump right into this. I bought a ton of produce. I bought little broccoli florets. I'm going to snack on these. I might cook them for my son and put a little cheese on them. He's going to revolt, y'all. I'm telling you, when he comes home tonight, he's going to be like, nope, where's the card? And I'm going to say, nope, you're eating what I cook. Decaf, and I get this San Antonio from HEB. You might can get this online. It's delicious. I get that for the Keurig. And I've got some Atkins bars. I already have the chocolate coconut. I bought the caramel nut chew. These are great to grab when you're just in a hurry so you don't eat garbage. Large coffee creamer. More of the broccoli with carrots. Now if you're low carbing, they are a higher sugar, but when I eat like this, I get very little sugar. So I will eat carrots as much as I want, and I will also eat small amounts of potatoes, like half a potato. I'll eat that. I bought 2 bags of salad. I don't rely real heavily on salad. Sometimes it's good and sometimes it's not, and there's heavy ranch on it. These go bad more often than not at my house. So but I did get 2 bags of salad. Then I bought about 4 or 6 bags of the broccoli slaw. I'm going to link my recipe video so you'll know what I do with this. Broccoli coleslaw. I also got classic cabbage to mix in with this because this is kind of just crunchy. It adds more soft texture. Got a big bag of baby carrots. I will snack on these. I feed them to the dogs. My dogs love them. And I throw them in roasts. So, have my carrots. Squash. I have a squash recipe on that same video. And I bought it already sliced. I'll put spray butter on it, Parmesan, salt and pepper, and bake it. It's delicious. And I do it crispy and dip it in ketchup or ranch. It's good. I got all these vegetables. I'll either have my husband grill these or I'll bake them in the oven. The peppers I take out and I'll put in omelets, like eggs in the morning. I got a lot of berries. If you're trying to eat healthy carb, berries are great. And I got some containers of blueberries, and then I got like 6 of these little blackberries. And at night I will have these with a sweetener on top and some Cool Whip and some decaf for after dinner to kind of top things off. That's the rest of the blackberries. Then I got a container of strawberries. I eat those the same way. Got another bag of baby carrots. I got the Jenny O ground turkey. I make turkey patties with just salt and pepper. And I kind of not burn the outside, but get it good and dark. I never really get tired of this. I usually just cook it in a skillet, but this is real good. That's going to be one of my main sources of protein. Seasoned drumsticks. They're already seasoned. You just throw these in the oven. That's my favorite. Cooking like my grandmother used to cook. Then I can make a ton of vegetables for my family and some sides that my son likes. I bought 2 almond milks because I already have 2 back there. So, stocked up on the almond milk. I got some sugary Sam's sweet potatoes, and I just put those in a pan. Put spray butter, a little bit of sugar, just regular sugar or sweetener, and some cinnamon. And I just have a small amount of these. Sometimes I pour the juice of this on my other vegetables. It makes them really good. I got my huge coffee and another big cream. More chicken legs for, I'll probably cook both of those at the same time. I bought chicken quarters. I bought 2 of these for more protein. And I bought hamburger meat. I always buy the 80-20, and I'm going to make taco soup and Mexican mess. And I'll probably make lasagna for my family one night and give them a break from just protein and veggies. I bought a large container of spinach. I put it in eggs, delicious, with some Parmesan or another kind of a small amount of cheese. I like spinach in my scrambled eggs, or lately, since I haven't been getting enough protein, I got this, I think at the health food store. It's raw protein and greens from Garden of Life. Put this in the blender, put some of this. I'll put a little bit of berries, but I can't drink much fruit at all. Or may just put this and just chuck it down. Take it like medicine. So this is how I eat the spinach, either in this or in eggs. I got 2 big plastic sacks of Jazz apples. I also do Fuji, sometimes anything crisp that doesn't get soft and mealy. I'm gonna cook these. It's like dessert. I eat it with my meals. Just for some lightness. I have to have some lightness with all the like vegetables. I'm gonna make cooked apples. They are also in that video that I'm going to link. They are delicious, like apple pie. You will feel like you've had dessert after you eat these. I bought a sack of on the vine tomatoes. I'll eat these with eggs for lightness. Probably the spinach and some tomatoes in there. And also on turkey burgers, that'll be real good. Then I got like 4 bags of different flavored cranberries, orange flavored, regular. I'll grab a small amount of these and a small amount of nuts on the way out the door. Like this morning I had a dental appointment, so I grabbed a little bit of this, my nuts, and it has held me over until it's after 1 o'clock. So I keep these for emergencies, for blood sugar. My blood sugar sometimes gets low. I got snow peas. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with these, except I thought they might be nice to snack on with broccoli dipped in a little bit of ranch. So, you know, just for some variety. This second I have more broccoli florets, more coleslaw, an onion, because I already have a roast. I'm gonna make a roast. That's so easy and delicious. Just put the onion, can of cream of mushroom soup, salt and pepper, potatoes, carrots, high protein, very healthy. I picked up 2 mushrooms. They're already sliced. I pour spray butter in the skillet and then I saute these. Delicious with eggs, whatever you're having at night. Just this and that coleslaw would be delicious. It would be real good. That may be what I have tonight. And then I already have a bunch of these, but I always buy a couple more. I can't believe it's not butters. This is what I cook with. This is all I cook with. And I got Jif peanut butter. I cannot tell y'all how often I get peanut butter in an apple. Something quick all the time. I do this when I'm lazy, which is most of the time. And then I got the Planters pistachio mix. All the time. I keep these. I go through one every 2 weeks or so. And I got eggs because I'm really going to try to start cooking eggs in the morning. That is such a good, it makes me feel good. Either an egg and 2 whites or 2 whole eggs. And with a piece of whole wheat toast, so I'm sure I get some carb during the day because I need some. And I'll be putting spinach. This will be my vehicle to get more veggies. And then I picked this up to make frozen shrimp or chicken strips on days that I don't have time to really cook a lot. Or with the chicken, just with chicken, this would be delicious. It's the roasted pineapple and habanero. It's from Robert's Reserve. I bet you can get this online. I get it at HEB. It is delicious with like fried shrimp, chicken strips. This is delicious. And that sauce adds your sweet. It's good. Okay, then for tonight, because I knew I had a dentist appointment, I was grocery shopping, still have to go run some errands. So for tonight, so we didn't fall off the wagon, I picked up some rotisserie chickens. Just run into the grocery store and get these. It saves me from fast food when I'm being good. You got dinner. Okay, and that's it. When I'm eating 100% clean, this was that trip. To go and recommit myself to eating clean. Having all this will be half my battle. If you want to try to eat clean with me, I would welcome them to company. Misery loves that company. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave questions or comments down below, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.